Easy thing to do, change your filters. Change your filters often, especially when you have those 1-inch filters on your system. Get them changed often. Even if you have the larger filters and you're not changing them as often, this is the time where you want to jump in, change those filters. They've worked hard all winter long. They've collected a lot of dust and dirt on these things, and you want to make sure your system can breathe and push clean, fresh air easily through for your summertime. Okay, it's going to make sure your system actually doesn't have to work as hard, using less electricity, and that the inside air is cleaner, and you keep your system cleaner, which will avoid breakdowns. So with dirty filters, you're going to end up with dirt on your coil, dirt in your ducts, dirt in your system. We want to catch that before it goes through your system, because once dirt gets in there, it starts to deteriorate and reduce